What? Oh, I think there was a marine that threw a grenade just then.
Oh, I threw one. That was probably me.
It was you who threw one.
Oh, I'm stuck. My
What's going
game
on
is
here?
frozen.
Oh.
That's
Well,
not good.
good.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? I killed a grunt out there. Oh, there he is. He's
Whoa.
coming.
He's coming. Oh god.
He did. Good job.
Thank hell. I have very little plasma ammo.
I have very
take
little
this.
of any ammo.
Oh dear.
Ugh.
This door is open if you still want to come and retreat.
Oh,
back
I'm
in
dead.
here.
There's a guy with the sword coming in.
There he is. Nice.
Good job.
Oof.
Nice. Ooh.
Alright, stay there for a sec. Got that back in.
Cool.
I wonder if that's everything. No, there's a grunt over here. Get back.
I'm just expecting.
Oh, hunters.
Oh,
my God,
balls. Granada. Ow. That blew me back further than I was expecting.
That guy went through the
Where's
map.
the other one?
He's near me.
Okay.
Ah! I didn't know the other one was still alive. Crap.
Oh crap. Ah, nope. Okay, one
One's
down.
One down. Where'd he go?
He's on me.
I got him in the back.
Nice.
Just unloading into him. He's not dying.
Nice.
Oh,
Good job.
Well done, us. We finally did it. We finally finished that area. I
Finally.
don't know how long
whoops.
that took, but Jesus.
My god. That is so much harder when you don't have a sniper rifle.
Yeah. Alright, well, I guess we'll just come to the door. No, we need to go up here, don't we? That's right. That's right.
That's right.
Past the many dead bodies. Up.
Oh
Run.
dear.
He threw a grenade at me.
Oh no! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, I don't want
Okay,
this.
good.
Alright, let's try and do the rest of this level.
Oh my god. Alright.
There is like one part where we have Cpt Keyes and we have to make it back to that U ship basically. And it's best
my
just to
God.
run past all the enemies and try and
shit.
and just try and like, oh, they're behind us. What?
What? Oh, that is not good.
Yep, dead. I thought I was throwing enough away, but nah.
I really hope. Oh dear.
Oh,
What killed me?
that AS
That was-
though.
That booty.
That the booty.
That the booty.
How did he come from behind? Bloody grunts. And your exploding corpses.
How dare.
How dare you?
Alright, I guess I'll keep an eye behind us.
Yeah.
Ow! What?
Yep. Well, that was the grunt by my foot. Yep. I saw like
Close up.
yeah, like the body of a grunt just fall to my feet. I was like, oh, I'm dead.
Ah, that'd
No
be
point
it
in
then.
even arguing.
I'm a coming.
There we go. That's the last explosion. Good, good, good. Good, 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 good.
Excelente. Ah, here you are, you little bastards. Behind us. Got him.
Oh. Oh, elite.
Oh, dear.
Jesus. Where'd that go?
Okay, explosion. Oh dear, run, 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 run.
What? Run? Oh. Oh, I lived.
Nice.
How did I live off that and die off the other ones? That makes
You
no
were at
sense.
like ground zero for that one. Well done.
Yeah. I'm surprised it didn't just like shaft me straight into the ceiling. Still got no grenades.
Yeah, same.
Oh, I'm on red health. Up and dead.
Shit, I'll back up.
That jackal shot me like all of 2 bullets and killed me. Even though I had 3 health bar.
You back up?
Not yet.
Oh dear.
Oh. Why are they coming from behind? There's never been like that before. Oh.
Oh.
I'm back.
Excellent. Whew. Okay.
God, this is stressful. Grunt sailing in the air.
Where did you go? Ow.
Where did you come from?
Where did he come from? Where did he go?
Oh, he actually died on the fall. Nice. Alright.
Oh,
Grenades.
granadas. Ow.
Ah!
I died. Got needled.
Oh, oh no, oh no, run, run. Jump, run, jump, run.
Hey, I'm up.
Hey.
And the Lizzie is back.
The amount of hunters we run into on this level alone, like honestly.
Whoa.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Grunt dude. Oh my. This way.
There's still another dude up.
Ah, stuff
Where
him.
did you go? Alright. Run!
Stuff the jackal.
You can stay alive to tell the others what he saw.
Oh! Tell them it was a massacre. Doing the siege thing, checking corners, making sure no one's there, advancing.
Oh! Yeah, all my skill at siege.
Sure. I mean, I don't really have any skill in siege either. Oh, back at the top here.
Oh.
We didn't want this.
Grunt!
I was just like, why is there a dead chief body up here?
Ouch.
I mean, at least we're not back down there where all those things have respawned.
That's true. Trying to get that grunt to explode. There you go. Uh-oh! No! Don't come to me! Go away!
Go away from me. God, there's so many jackals. Jesus. Whoa. a wraith
Oh, my
pull-up.
health. Oh.
Oh, my health. Oh, there's a health pack
Oh.
down here.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there we go. So right next to me is a health pack.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. No, it's okay. Went in the wrong flipping door.
The game's like, oh no, you're stupid, let me help you. And we're both like, yay, thank you.
I played this game so many times and also long ago as well, but like, this ship can be so confusing sometimes.
Whoa.
Ooh.
That was nice.
Just like that. Rah! On the way out. Run. Needler. So the needle explosions are double as big as well, aren't they?
I think so, yeah, they definitely seem oh dear!
Jesus!
Oh my god.
That grenade exploded so
How
much
did you
faster
live?
than the other ones. I don't know, but I'm glad.
That was impressive.
I am alive.
I have survived. Why did it teleport me?
I will survive. Oh god.
Oh crap.
Yup. I blew him out of the air.
Nice.
Hug and right, hug and right.
Yep.
Why did that door open? Why did that door open?
What?
Why?
Oh crap. There's Grunts
sweet.
down here with us.
Yeah. Yep.
Whoa.
There's hunters later as well.
We really need to get rid of that guy up on the platform.
I know, he's super annoying. I have a low battery. Oh, Grunt, go away. Oh, red bleep
shit.
downstairs.
Ow, I'm dead.
Whoa.
But
Me
I
too if I don't be careful.
think I downed the elite.
What is? Grenades. Woo. I'm just under constant fire. No, leave me alone.
Go man, go. Nice.
I'm out of combat, see? There we go. Grenade.
Ah, grunty grenade.
Oof. That guy looked into the ceiling.
Oof. Oh, is that Nova
God,
Shield?
Grunts, go away. Yeah, I'd save it for
Oh
the
my God.
hunters.
Oh shit, I just used it.
Oh, okay.
Crap.
Wait, here come the hunters now.
Okay, good. Oh, I've still got those idiots up there.
Ah, I'm being shot from every angle. Oh, dead. There's a lot of grenades on my corpse.
Oh my god. Ouch.
God, this has been going for 30 minutes, not include. Well, I mean.
Oh, hey,
Whoop,
hunters!
whoop.
Whoop! Hey, bro! Ah! Come on, respawn, my friend!
Too many enemies nearby.
Come
I'm
on! Yes! Oh, thank goodness.
Oh my god, that's all the grenades there.
Oh! Oh, I'm upstairs again. Hello.
Oh, we aren't actually able to get up there just yet.
Yeah.
Nice.
I just got bunted all the way up here.
Good old bunting.
Good old bit of bunting. Hey, there's a health pack down there.
I'm full of health because I just respawned. Oh, what
Okay. Where is he? Oh! I'm up giving you some assistance from above.
the-
Ow! I just got killed. He's like,
What's
hey
none of
you!
my assistance from above?
Hey you, from above.
Oh god. Oh,
I'm
god,
up.
Oh, god. Yay. Ow. Slammed me into a wall.
Phew.
Oh, we did it. That wasn't too bad, I guess.
I'm not even keeping track of my deaths anymore, there's so many.
I will see it at the end, and I'll just do a count up to the end.
Come at me.
Oh, I wish I could rip off their fuel rod cannons off their arms. Oof.
Hello.
Is there any more?
Ah! God!
Yep. Yep. There was more.
They just ragdoll up around.
Oh, invis.
Oh crap!
Oh,
Nice. good
sneaky
spot.
bastard. Ooh. Cereal is having second thoughts.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Now we're up here. Nice. Where you were before.
Hey, where I wasn't meant to be. Ah, nice grenade. Oh,
I
dear,
stuck
where's
him.
that grunt
Oh,
going?
God. Behind. Ow.
Ow, dead.
I will be too if I'm not careful.
Be careful, sir.
Please be careful.
I'm up. I'm up for more nonsense.
More ridiculousness.
More running into places I shouldn't be running into and then dying.
And he just sidestepped off the cliff there. Or
Ha!
off the ledge.
Hilarious. Woman.
Human, why are you in my game? Stuck him.
Nice.
Wow.
Ow, behind us.
Oh, what?
Oh dear, yep, behind us.
Oh god, I don't know where that grunt went.
Oh,
God.
hey, grunt, off you go. Oh no!
This really makes you panic when you see grunts now.
I know, it makes grunts so much more threatening.
Oh, I was so far away from that. I'm back.
Excellent.
Excellent. My grenades, my precious grenades, they're gone.
I think I might have taken them.
Oh well. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Alright. Oh man, like, the library is gonna be such a pain.
Oh my god. That's just gonna be so much worse than this.
Yeah.
Oh. Good job.
There we go.
Nice.
Just wait until I see the points.
Why are my points constantly going down?
Because we've passed the par time of 20 minutes.
Whoa. Whoa.
So it just drops.
Sorry, my controller was doing something weird for a second there.
Oh.
I see. Not that I was gonna have a good score anyway, but...
Be a very harsh score.
Oh, there's a grunt! Kablammy!
Just threw his core off the top there. I got no more grenades.
I got 4 grenades. Gonna grenade the
Eat
crap
them.
out of things.
Eat the grenades.
Yeet! Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Effective. Whoa, easy one.
Hey. Behind us.
Oh, damn it. Why?
Yeet!
Oh god, oh god, oh
Oh,
god,
no!
oh god. It's on top of you. Oh dear. You almost became Master Chief Soup. Whew.
Oh, God,
I don't know
my
why
mind
I'm
just got
yawning
bored.
as well, like honestly. I had a good sleep. Oh yeah, this one.
Oh,
Oh, there's
no,
swords
this
in there.
area. He has a sword.
He's coming.
Yeet! Oh,
I think you got him.
I hope so. I just yeeted another grenade. Hello?
Oh, he's alive, he's alive.
The one with the sword?
He's dead. He's dead.
Ah, good. There's another one on the other side.
Ha ha. Oh.
Hit me, please. No? Okay.
Yeah, okay, no.
You say no.
No bueno.
No es bueno.
I don't even know Spanish.
Ow.
That door was shut and it blew up and hurt me.
Captain's transponder signal is strong. We must be close.
Ah, yes, to the left.
To the left, to the left.
I really had an instinct just to press B to melee, just for the hell of it. Like, no, that would kill Liz.
You wouldn't do that.
I mean, oh! I did think about it though.
That's the difference between you and Martin. Martin would do it without a second thought.
Well, the thing is, he thinks about it and then does it. He goes, I thought it through. I love how useful, or how much more useful Covenant weapons are against themselves.
I know, right? You think that would be... I mean, I guess, like, guns are pretty good against people, so...
That's true. Is this the room? I don't think this is the room. Nah, it's not.
Oh. No?
We
Nah.
must be in the brig. These look like holding
Oh.
cells. There are probably multiple detention stations. The captain must be in one of them. We need to keep looking for him.
Shut up, Cortana. I don't know much about this level sometimes, but I do know he's not in that room. He's in the room with all the other...
Oh, he threw a grenade!
Oh dear.
Oh!
Kabloom. You...
Esplamo! Oh, back
Oh,
up,
dear.
back up! Oh.
Nice.
There's another one. Oh, dead.
What? I
Ouch.
got a bunch of rounds then.
I'm
as well.
alive.
I'm back. I'm dead. I'm back. I'm dead. That'll just
What an
be
emotional
this
roller
whole
coaster this
episode
has
was.
been.
I know.
This is about to
Alright.
get so much harder.
Oh, this next part sucks. Hey, Keys. Let's get you up off your feet, eh?
Coming here with reckless. You two know better than this.
Oh, look how little he is.
I know.
Marines,
Yeah, original, they're pretty much the same size.
be ready to move.
Are they?
I know, oh, maybe not, but I know that, like, Chief gets bigger and bigger as the games go on, as they develop the lore. But in
I
the
know he's,
first
like-
game, he wasn't that much bigger, I don't think.
I thought Chief was like 7 foot.
Yeah, but I think, because they were still developing the lore and whatnot, Spartans as a whole weren't that much bigger than normal people.
Right.
And then they developed the lore and they're like, nah, they've been engineered and now they're huge.
So you know how big Tartarus is, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. George from Reach is like within 10 centimeters of his height.
Really?
He's that
Nice.
big.
I like George.
George is cool.
I thought they were looking for the bridge of a cruiser that I damaged during the battle above the ring. But they must be looking for Halo's control room.
That's bad news. If Halo is a weapon, and the Covenant gain control of it, they'll use it against us and wipe out the entire human race.
Oh, I'm so sorry for yawning so much.
I have a new mission. We need to beat the Covenant to Halo's control room. Marines, let's move. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Let's go, Baldy.
Chief,
Oh no. No. Keys, you're not allowed to do anything.
If he
No.
dies, the mission's over. That's the problem.
This mission's gonna be over a lot.
Back to the shuttle bay and
Oh god.
When we get to that, when we get back to that room with alright, boop.
Oh, balls.
All right.
Nice.
Get him! Get him! When we get back to that room we were just in before, where where the guy with the sword was, we'll just have to butz it past all the enemies that spawn in and try and get like a quick checkpoint in,
Yep, sounds good.
because otherwise we cannot defend that room, not with all the explosions going off and everything.
Nah.
And the Marines are too I'd say trigger happy, but like, what is the term for being grenade happy?
Oh!
Oh my god! I looked left. I mean, no, sorry, I looked right. I should have looked left.
Oh dear. No, Marine, no! Come back!
You stupid! I have a perfect gift for you. GIF as in like GIF.
Oh
Hold
dear. Oh man.
I mean, the Marines can die, but as long as Keyes doesn't die. Out the way, Marine!
Hear that, everyone? Give your life for Keys.
The two Marines are blocking me from moving, so I just punched one in the back. Negative points to me.
Okay, there's suspiciously no things yet. Checkpoint.
Yeah. What's that there? Alright. Here's where it goes crazy.
Wait. Where is he? There he is. Got
Oh,
one.
no, I completely
Oh,
forgot that
got
there was
killed.
ones in here.
There's like three
There's
in
three.
there.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
even. I'm sorry. I was just
No,
like
it's
so
okay.
blasé.
I should have said something before I started shooting.
No, you're right. He's like, there he is.
Instead,
I'm
I'm
like,
just like,
"There's someone in there?"
I just run in. So there's three. There's one immediately to the right, and then there's two more at the back of the room. Nice.
Thank you. Oh,
Alright.
this one.
Oh no, there's two more again.
It's 4.
Nice.
Jesus.
Good.
To Echo 419. We have the captain and need extraction on
Good
the
job. That went way better.
There you go.
Cortana, I've been engaged by Covenant
I've been engaged.
I have been engaged.
Warhammer, you're lucky enough to live almost to the end.
I like Framedrop.
Acknowledged, Foehammer.
I
Pretty
wish you
cool.
played a bigger
Something
part
you
in the
never
game.
see.
Yeah. Stop killing Marines!
I needed a better weapon.
We need cannon fodder!
Stole that belly aching.
Stow the belly aching and let Master Chief clock you to the back of the head.
If I kill one more, though, I think that's when they go mental. Open, 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 open.
Uh-oh.
Excuse me, Grunt.
Uh-oh. Wait, we're just running past?
Yeah,
He's died.
because otherwise that happens.
No.
Ah. Okay. Whoa.
Yeah, like we'll try not to kill any grunts. We'll just have to try and run past all of them.
Okay. Here we go again. Kasplammy!
He didn't even do anything about it.
Where's the other
Oh,
one?
there he is. There he is. Oh, no one. Hey.
To Echo
Alright, I need your weapon again. We'll
have the captain and need extraction
give me that.
Negative, Cortana, I've been engaged
I need this more than you do,
That one.
Marine.
and I'm having a tough time shaking them. You'll be better off finding your own ride. Sorry.
It's just Keyes and one Marine. And then us.
Crap.
Air support is cut off, Captain.
If,
We need to hold
next time if we restart, I won't kill him then. How about that?
Alright. Okay. Oh no. What's happened? Oh.
Stow the belly aching, soldier. Remember, you're a level. Cortana, if you and the chief can get us into one of those covenant dropships,
Let us in!
We don't want to listen to the story anymore. We already know it.
The Covenant dropship still docked.
How
Let
old
us
is
die, come on.
Halo 1 now?
I don't know, it's quite old. It was like early 2000s. Run! Oh, no, stop auto-aiming! Whoa.
Right. That should hopefully have... Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Uh-oh, uh-oh,
That should hopefully
uh-oh,
bring Keyes
uh-oh,
to us.
Uh-oh. Like it! Got it. Wait,
Nice.
what? I should have gotten it.
There it is.
Oh, thank God.
There we go. We're done. Part
Yay!
3.
everybody,
Oh,
let's get on board.
that's like almost an hour on that last part. We'll have to do some serious cuts
Oh my God.
there. Oh,
Give me a minute to interface with the ship.
My stats are
That
gonna
was-
look so bad.
oh man, like we're not going to do well on that one.
No. Hunters!
Hang on.
Oh no, they missed the stormtroopers.
Time for payback.
Let's get on out of here.
Let's get
He
on
seemed
out.
to say.
Get on up
All
when
right.
you're down.
46 minutes on that part, but with the
Ah.
first part being a technical difficulty.
Yeah.
Oh, I killed you once apparently. Sorry.
Oh.
What are the actual stats though? I died 14 times. How many times do you think you died?
I don't know how many times.
27.
27! Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. That sounds about right. Yep.
We went from dying like all of 5 combined, I think, on the first 2 parts to like just major league deaths in the next part.
Oh God.
Oh, that was rough.
That's so bad. Oh my God.
yeah.
That's
Oh.
so bad.
Well, that was Truth and Reconciliation with exploding skulls, and my god, was that exploding.
Oh, that was so explodey. That was ridiculous. Most explodey
Exploded
it's
right-
ever been.
There's just so many grunts.
I know,
many
it just
grenades.
kept, they just kept coming. Like, it just adds a whole layer of fear when it comes to grunts.
Yeah.
God.
Oh, well, thanks to everyone for watching part 3. Join us again for part 4. We'll take a little break, and we'll be back again with Silent Cartographer. Depending on how long that goes, will depend on how long the next part is, of course.
Yeah.
That's an obvious statement, but, you know, I'm all about pointing out the obvious.
Alright, sweet. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. I hope you're enjoying this series as we fail our way through Halo. Yeah.
And we hope you have an awesome day. Take care, everyone.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.